Massive flooding in Guangxi, China. A dam has collapsed after heavy rain. We are praying for everyone affected by this disaster. Stay here and let's watch.
我们来了，坚持住！
我的家都没了。
别怕，我们带你走，抓紧了，往这边走。
谢谢你们呢。
Imagine waking up to the sound of heavy rain pounding your roof. You look outside and notice the street beginning to disappear beneath muddy water. Within minutes, emergency sirens begin to sound. Police officers rush through neighborhoods, urging families to leave immediately. Then comes the terrifying news. A reservoir dam has been breached, sending an enormous wall of water racing toward nearby communities. This is the frightening reality that thousands of people recently experienced in southern China. Welcome back to Curiosity Network, where we bring you the world's biggest stories with the facts behind the headlines. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates.
大家一起用力，把人往安全地方送。
好的，稳住板子，水太深了，小心。
坚持住，前面就安全了。收到，马上接应。
Heavy rainfall from Typhoon Maysak has triggered severe flooding across southern China, particularly in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, after floodwaters breached several reservoir dams. Authorities raised the highest flood emergency level as rivers overflowed and thousands of people were forced to flee their homes. What happened? Torrential rainfall caused multiple reservoir embankments to fail near Nanning, sending large volumes of water into surrounding communities. Around 48,000 residents were evacuated, while roughly 55,000 people have been affected by the flooding. Rescue teams deployed boats, drones, and more than 1,000 emergency personnel to assist stranded residents. Streets were transformed into rivers, vehicles were submerged, and several low-lying communities experienced extensive flooding. Southern China has once again found itself battling one of nature's most destructive forces. Days of relentless rainfall associated with Typhoon Maysak overwhelmed rivers, reservoirs, and drainage systems across Guangxi province. As the rain continued hour after hour, engineers and emergency officials watched water levels climb to dangerous heights. Eventually, several reservoir embankments could no longer withstand the immense pressure. Once the protective barriers failed, millions of gallons of water surged downstream with tremendous force. Communities located below these reservoirs suddenly found themselves in a race against time. Emergency alerts were issued across affected regions as local governments ordered immediate evacuations. Rescue workers, firefighters, police officers, and military personnel quickly mobilized to assist families trapped by rapidly rising floodwaters. Thousands of residents grabbed only their most valuable belongings before leaving behind homes they had spent years building. For many elderly residents, the evacuation was especially difficult. Rescue teams carried seniors through waist-deep water, while volunteers helped children reach safety aboard inflatable rescue boats. Drone footage released from the disaster zone showed an astonishing scene. Entire neighborhoods appeared to have transformed into vast lakes. Roads disappeared beneath muddy water, vehicles floated away like toys, and farmland that once produced crops became completely submerged.
水好深，大家小心，桥上走。
雨越下越大了。
Several bridges became impassable as rivers overflowed their banks, while highways connecting major cities were forced to close due to dangerous flooding. Authorities reported that approximately 48,000 residents had to be evacuated from high-risk areas, while more than 55,000 people were affected by the disaster. Although emergency crews worked around the clock, officials sadly confirmed fatalities resulting from the flooding, while others remained missing during rescue operations. Meteorologists explained that this disaster was not caused by a single burst of rain. Instead, multiple days of continuous heavy rainfall saturated the ground until it could no longer absorb additional water. Once the soil became completely saturated, nearly every drop of rain flowed directly into streams, rivers, and reservoirs. Water levels climbed faster than engineers could safely release it. Reservoirs are designed to protect communities by storing excess water during storms. However, when rainfall exceeds the design capacity of the system, these structures come under tremendous stress. Engineers must make incredibly difficult decisions during extreme weather events. Releasing water too early may flood downstream communities. Waiting too long risks overtopping or damaging the dam itself. In disasters like this, every minute matters. China has invested heavily in flood control infrastructure over the past several decades, constructing thousands of dams, reservoirs, levees, and diversion channels. These projects have prevented countless floods and saved millions of lives. However, climate experts warn that weather patterns around the world are becoming increasingly unpredictable. Storm systems are producing heavier rainfall over shorter periods, placing tremendous pressure on infrastructure originally designed using historical weather records. As global temperatures rise, warmer air is capable of holding more moisture. When storms eventually release that moisture, rainfall can become exceptionally intense. Scientists continue to study how climate change may influence future flooding events across Asia and other parts of the world. The economic consequences of flooding extend far beyond damaged homes. Businesses often remain closed for weeks while cleanup crews remove mud and debris. Farmers can lose entire seasons of crops. Schools suspend classes. Transportation networks grind to a halt, delaying the movement of food, medicine, and essential supplies. Insurance claims can reach billions of dollars following catastrophic flooding, while governments face enormous reconstruction costs. Yet, amid the devastation, remarkable stories of courage continue to emerge. Neighbors formed human chains to help elderly residents reach higher ground. Volunteers distributed food, clean drinking water, blankets, and emergency supplies to displaced families. Medical teams established temporary treatment centers to care for injured residents. Rescue workers continued operating throughout the night despite dangerous conditions, demonstrating extraordinary commitment to protecting lives. These acts of compassion remind us that even during humanity's darkest moments, kindness shines brightly. As flood waters slowly begin to recede, the difficult work of rebuilding will continue for months. Families will return to damaged homes. Roads and bridges will require extensive repairs. Businesses will work to reopen, and communities will begin the long journey toward recovery. Natural disasters like this serve as powerful reminders of how quickly life can change and why disaster preparedness remains so important for communities around the world. Our thoughts and prayers are with everyone affected by these devastating floods in China. We hope for the safety of rescue workers, comfort for grieving families, and strength for all those beginning the difficult process of rebuilding their lives. Thank you for watching Curiosity Network. If you found this report informative, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of major events happening around the world. Stay curious, stay informed, stay safe.
我们来了，坚持住！
我的家都没了。
别怕，我们带你走，抓紧了，往这边走。
谢谢你们呐！
Our hearts and prayers go to everyone affected by this massive flooding as dam collapse after heavy rain causing severe damage in China.